Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, pwede kayong mag-book for a private reading. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Let's see, Cancer, what's the energy? October 2025. October 2025 for Cancer. Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Okay, so meron ditong celebration, merong achievement. Ito yung matagal mo na hinihintay. You have the Death card. This is transformation, change. Merong pinto na magsasara, meron namang magbubukas, no? So, it's like, para siyang transition din, no? Maaring you are ending a situation, can be a relationship, or a career, or a certain chapter ng buhay mo na natatapos na, and you are about to start anew. I think kasi nandun ka na sa point na gusto mo nang may magbago sa buhay mo. Hindi ka na naghihintay kung kailan may magbabago. Ikaw mismo yung magte-take action na for that change. Kasi kung alam mo kasi kung hihintayin mo ay baka maghintay ka sa wala. So ang change kasi is galing rin sa atin 'yan. So yung change na ginagawa natin sa sarili natin, meron yang equal reaction na binibigay sa atin ng universe. Like for example, humakbang ka ng isang step, o merong action dyan para sa'yo ang universe about ano yung magiging resulta ng first step na yon and moving forward. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo, pagod na kayo, nandun na kayo sa point na you don't like your situation anymore, no? With the 10 of Wands and the 4 of Cups, hindi ka na masaya doon eh. Pwedeng relationship yan, career path, situation mo in general. So, ngayon, nagkaroon ka na ng pagninilay-nilay, no? With the 4 of Swords about what change do you want para sa sarili mo. So, ngayon may clarity ka na. Yung iba sa inyo, gusto nyong mag-explore. Like, mag-take ng risk, ganon. You have the Wheel of Fortune. No? Definitely, this is changing the direction. So, itong direction na to, for some of you, hindi kayo ganun ka-familiar dito, pero meron tong excitement para sa inyo. Okay? So, overall energy, Temperance. Some of you are going through the healing process. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga inaayos kayo sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon para ma-align nyo yung sarili nyo sa mga goals ninyo. Your challenge is the 6 of Cups. So, maaring merong energy from the past na gusto mong kalimutan na or gusto mo nang mag-move on from that past at mag-focus ka sa iyong future or current situation. Your opportunity is the 5 of Pentacles. Meron kang opportunity na ayusin yung financial situation mo, yung career mo, yung trabaho mo, or yung sitwasyon na hindi ka masaya and you feel lost, okay? So, your blessing is magkakaroon ka ng solusyon sa iyong challenges. Makakabangon ka, makakabawi ka kaagad. The 3 of Cups is about achieving a goal. So, maaring meron kang goal na matagal mo nang hinihintay na ma-achieve and it's finally happening. That is because you are also taking action. Money, career, finances, you have the Knight of Pentacles. Ito yung slowly but surely na energy, no? Mabagal man siya, pero nakakarating siya sa paroroonan niya, kumbaga. So, ito rin yung time na kailangan mo ring planuhin yung mga actions mo. And, be quiet na lang, no? Sa mga actions na gagawin mo, plano mo. As much as you can, hangga't maaari, no, wag mo nang ikwento sa iba. Minsan kahit sa mga taong malalapit sa'yo, wag mo na rin ikwento kung di naman sila involved doon no, sa mga plano mo. Kasi minsan, meron dyan na yung bang nang aagaw ng plano. Na alam mo, like say for example, plano mong bumili ng sasakyan, pero naunahan ka pa nung kinuwentuhan mo, 'di ba? Or plano mo na mag-resign, naunahan ka pa kasi mag-a-apply na siya dun sa gusto mong company. Alam mo 'yon. So work in silence at saka mo sila gulatin kapag andyan na, hawak mo na yung minamanifest mo or yung goal mo. Now, for your, kuha tayo ng oracle cards. So, money, career, finances for Cancer. Money, career, finances. Meron ditong financial loss, no? Na kailangan kang paghandaan. Mas okay na nahanda ka, no? At least, meron kang contingency plan. Oo. And this is also not the time to take risk when it comes to your finances. Maaring, halimbawa, may gusto kang bilhin. So, bago mo siya bilhin, isipin mo muna na kung magkakaroon ka ba ng emergency, at bibilhin mo pa rin yun, kaya mo pa rin bang mag-provide para dun sa emergency na yon? Kasi kung oo, edi go for it. Pero kung hindi, much better na ipagpaliban mo muna yung pagkakagastusan mo. And then, for love life, 2 of Wands and the 3 of Swords. Oh, okay. 3 of Swords is about separation, pwede ring disappointment. Para kasi meron kang expectation sa person that you're dealing with, no? Kung meron kang ka-deal ngayon, I feel like hindi siya makapili kung parang hindi mo alam kung saan papunta yung relationship ninyo. Oo. So, maaaring nagkakaroon ka ng frustration na saan na papunta itong relasyon na to? May patutunguhan ba? Actually, we are all here for experience regardless kung anong relationship na meron ka, anong career na meron ka. Oo. You just have to experience the situation, no? May mga bagay na kontrolado tayo, may mga bagay ring hindi. So, kung ano yung kaya natin gawin on our end, then let's do it. Messages, dreams. Okay. Some of you, ang nasa-sense ko dito, energy ng past. Kasi, 6 of Cups challenge nyo yan. Maaaring iba sa inyo, hindi pa kayo makamove on from your past. You are feeling locked down. Kasi maaring yung person that you're dealing with, napapanaginipan mo pa rin, siya pa rin lagi mong iniisip. 'Di ba? So it's time to change your perspective. Kasi alam mo, everything is energy. So kung yung energy mo inuubos mo sa kakaisip nitong taong to na hindi ka naman iniisip, sayang lang, 'di ba? Let's see what else. Cancer. What's the energy? Healing, yes. You are healing from your past. Oh, maganda. May success pa dito. Spiritual awakening. Some of you, nagkakaroon kayo ng major spiritual awakening. That's why may mga tao, sitwasyon sa buhay nyo na inaalis, no? And through that, no, you will lead to healing. And once you finally heal from that, napakadali na lang na abutin ang success. Kasi wala nang nagte-take up ng energy mo. You are all focused on your goals. 'Di ba? If you're going through something, nakakapag-isip ka pa ba kung ano yung plano mo sa susunod for your goal? 'Di ba? Lalo na kung medyo matindi yung pinagdadaanan mo na challenge. Oo. So, ang focus mo muna is ayusin yung sarili mo, mag-heal. And part of that healing, nagkakaroon ka ng awakening. Marami kang nare-realize about your experiences in the past at kung bakit mo yun napagdaanan. And also, may mga learnings ka rin doon na kaya pala nangyari yun kasi ganito. No? You have Jupiter in Scorpio in the 8th house. 8th house is about your transformation. So, maaring may malaking change, no? Or transformation for you. Lalo na kung ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong finances, no? Pwede ikaw ay magsa-start ng isang investment kasi other people's money rin to. Meron kang mga learnings about your decisions pagdating sa pera. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house, endurance, lakas ng loob. Mas malakas ang loob mo ngayong October. Parang, kumbaga, dahil na rin sa mga napagdaanan mo, mas lumakas yung iyong paniniwala sa sarili mo na naisip mo na, ang dami ko ng challenge na pinagdaanan no? Kayang-kaya ko na yan, kahit ano pang iba to sa akin. You have Jupiter in Virgo in the 6th house. You will also focus on your health, yung kalusugan mo. Ang kalusugan natin ay physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So, yan yung mga i-workout mo ngayong October. This is also about routines, no? So, maaring meron kang mga bagong routines para sa sarili mo na makakapagpaayos ng iyong health. Maaring ikaw yung mag-exercise, or yung mga daily routines that will improve yourself. Yung iba naman sa trabaho. So, maaring mas magiging organized ka kung paano ka magtrabaho. Ayun. Swim away from this situation. So, kung meron kang sitwasyon na hindi mo talaga gusto or parang you don't feel aligned in that situation, then it's time to leave that situation. Move to a new direction. Okay? Kasi hanggat nagsistay ka dyan, hindi ka makakaramdam ng kapayapaan ng isip. Oo. Kasi nga, ikaw mismo, iba na yung nararamdaman mo sa sitwasyon na yun. So, you have to swim away from that situation. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.